So team, as I was discussing, this report will be shared regularly. Am I correct, Kamlesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Report will be published twice a week.
Okay, so moving forward.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session on ergonomics. So we have Dr. Shinde over the call with us. Dr. Shinde, I would request you to share your insights on the importance of maintaining a good body posture while working from home with the audience, please. Yes, sir. The central team has not yet updated us on the issue. We are following up. Once we have any update from them, we will inform the team.
No, wait, Kamlesh. I didn't understand. What is the background?
Sir, vegetable vendor, sir, comes every day same time during our team call, shouting like anything.
Kamlesh, I'm speaking about the central team issue background.
Oh, sorry, sir. Hi Rajesh, hi Venkat. Thank you for joining the call on time. Let's wait a couple of minutes for the remaining 23 people to join the call and then we'll begin. Sir, in my view, we should maintain a tracker in MS Teams. That should help everyone.
Yes, we can try that. This approach might serve a purpose.
हाँ ब्रो. अरे यार वही फालतू की मीटिंग. अरे अभी कहाँ, अभी तो बर्तन भी नहीं धुले. मीटिंग ही खत्म नहीं होती इनकी.
Kamlesh, can you please go on mute?
सर मैं आज सेकंड हाफ अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ. वो घर के वर्क एलोकेशन को लेकर मेरे और मेरे रूममेट के बीच में मीटिंग सेट हुई है.
So team, to summarize, it's very important for you to reskill and upgrade yourself. Job rotation is the key to any industry, which is why you should keep learning and keep embracing new skills. Thank you.
ए मैगी, मैं पिछले 2 महीने से झाड़ू लगा रहा हूँ. अब से मैं बर्तन धोऊंगा, तू झाड़ू कर. Thank you, Dr. Shinde, for explaining us the physical health benefits of maintaining the right body posture. I myself, being a part of Health and Wellness Club, always maintain the correct body posture while working from home and would recommend the same to all of you. Sit straight, stay safe. Thank you.
Kamlesh, that presentation needs to be completed by the end of this week. We cannot delay this anymore.
सर कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. आप क्या भौंक रहे हैं? बोल रहे हैं. सॉरी सर.
So team, you would have received the message on the client audit. Please ensure.
Sir, you're not audible.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Where did you lose me? Kamlesh, can you please let me know on which point did you lost me?
यस वेंकट, इस वीक की थर्सडे टीम कॉल कैंसिल हुई है. अब वो नेक्स्ट वीक की ट्यूसडे टीम कॉल में होगी और नेक्स्ट वीक की ट्यूसडे टीम कॉल उसी वीक की थर्सडे टीम कॉल में होगी और उसके अगले वीक से ट्यूसडे की टीम कॉल ट्यूसडे को ही होगी और थर्सडे की टीम कॉल थर्सडे को ही होगी. तो बेसिकली इस वीक की थर्सडे टीम कॉल पोस्टपोन हुई है और नेक्स्ट वीक की थर्सडे टीम कॉल कैंसिल हुई है. समझा क्या? सर मैं फ्राइडे सेकंड हाफ अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ. सर वो एक्चुअली वर्क एलोकेशन के हिसाब से मुझे मंडे से खाना बनाना है, तो इसीलिए मेरा रूममेट अब फ्राइडे इवनिंग से पूरा वीकेंड मुझको नॉलेज ट्रांसफर करेगा. एंड द प्रोजेक्ट प्लान इज इन प्लेस सर. वी विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक ऑनवर्ड्स.
Okay. Thank you, Kamlesh. Venkat, do you have any updates for the team?
Yes, sir. So, team, as we discussed in the last call,
Wait, Venkat. 1 second, Kamlesh. What about the project delivery timeline?
अच्छा, वेंसडे की टीम कॉल. अरे वो तो इसीलिए क्योंकि मंडे की टीम कॉल में इतने ज्यादा एक्शन आइटम्स हो गए थे कि अब उन एक्शन आइटम्स को ट्रैक करने के लिए एक और टीम कॉल रखनी पड़ी. वेंकट, कैन यू प्लीज लॉक द मीटिंग रूम? इज दिस सेशन बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड? वेंकट, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. नॉट श्योर इफ इट्स एन इशू विद मी ओनली. गाइस, प्लीज डू नॉट पुट अस ऑन होल्ड. Please move out of WebEx and attend your calls. Hi team, I am facing some connectivity issues in my Wi-Fi, so let me connect through the dongle. Venkat, in case you are sharing your screen, it's not visible. Not sure if others can see. Venkat, can you please unlock the meeting room? Krishna is waiting outside to join. He just pinged me. Venkat, we are still seeing slide 1 only. I think there is a lag. Hi team, I am facing some connectivity issues in my dongle, so let me connect through my mobile internet. Guys, please be on mute. Who is the caller user 6? Can you please go on mute? Venkat, I am putting everybody on mute, so please unmute yourself and continue. Hi team, my mobile internet is quite slow, so I won't be able to turn on the video camera. Okay guys, I have a hard stop at 11. Team, it's already 4 minutes past the call. If no other questions, let's end the call.
Team, it's been a long time since we have seen each other, and today we have our clients as well on the call. So can you all please come to the video mode?